Experience, Escalator passion. In the north of Germany, there is the place to be. When you need escalators, you'll find the best you'll ever get. For 70 years, escalators are made. Clients confirm they are so great. Volino Victoria, high quality, made in Hamburg, made in Germany. Experience, escalator passion. We build Volinos for any fashion. Experience, escalator passion. Victorious for highest satisfaction. Nearly 400 experts strive for the best, designing, producing, and a final test. Nearly 400 experts provide what you need. Reliable transport in shops and airports, metros and streets. Experience, escalator passion. We build Volinos for any fashion. Experience, escalator passion. Victorious for highest satisfaction. Others are trying to compete, but don't understand our customers' need. Others left Europe, went to Far East. We stay in Hamburg, success rates increased. Experience, escalator passion. We build Volinos for any fashion. Experience, escalator passion. Victorious for highest satisfaction. For 70 years, escalators are made. Clients confirm they are best trade. Volino Victoria, high quality, made in Hamburg, made in Germany. Experience, escalator passion. We build Volinos for any fashion. Experience, escalator passion. Victorious for highest satisfaction.